Hi there, students. Dog whistle politics. Dog whistle statements. Okay, a dog whistle is a type of whistle that you blow, but humans can't hear it because the pitch is above our hearing. But a dog can hear it, and if you blow your dog whistle, the dog comes running. But dog whistle politics, or a dog whistle statement or speech, is when a politician says something that sounds innocent or ordinary to most people, but to some specific groups of society, this resonates and has a very strong meaning for them. So maybe a politician who is racist says something that sounds quite innocent to the general public, but extremists among the group understand this in a different way and understand a much stronger or a different message. So it's sending a message to political message to certain groups of society without upsetting society as a whole, the general voters. Let's see, for example, I've been thinking about these. Imagine a politician is talking to a group of people who are sitting down, and he says, stand up, and listen to what I have to say. Well, if the people were a reggae fan and liked Bob Marley, they might think of the song, stand up, stand up, stand up for your rights. So the people who liked reggae, or the people who understood this message, would say he's actually telling us to stand up for our rights, to fight against oppression. Okay? So maybe he's sending a black power message, but without upsetting the general group. Stand up, and listen to what I have to say. Follow my words. And that would be an example of it. I thought of another example as well. Maybe a politician is giving a speech and he tells a story about, I remember when a recruiting sergeant came to my school to talk about the army and the role of the American army in our society. And I stood up and he said, look, I stood up and I said, look, Sarge, I'm only 18. I don't understand about these types of things. But somebody who had been demonstrating against the Vietnam War and was a pacifist might think of the Phil Oakes song, Draft Dodger Rag. Sarge, I'm only 18, I got a ruptured spleen, I always carry a purse, I got eyes like a bat and my feet are flat and my asthma's getting worse. So the song itself is a pacifist song saying don't join the army. So the general group would not hear the message, but the pacifists would say, this guy's a pacifist. And this is the idea of dog whistle politics, dog whistle statements, dog whistle policies, things that a specific group will understand, but the public in general who don't know about it won't understand it and will think that it's something completely innocent. So it's like a double message, or one message for the main group and then a specific message within that for a part of that group, for a section of society. And that's the idea of dog whistle politics. So, an interesting one. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel. If you can think of any good examples of dog whistle politics and statements, please include them in the comments, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Dog whistle politics.